Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with episode 2 of my Saturday morning makes, hosted by Jill Norwood of Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube and on Instagram. I'll have her link down below so you can go check her out. She's an amazing crafter, just like so many of you all out there are. So today I made a simple card, and it was inspired by this card that I made for a crafty dare. I want to say, I don't know, 3-4 weeks ago, where we had to use leaves, Thanksgiving sentiment, and what was the other thing? Uh, It was a free choice. So it leaves, fall sentiment, and a free choice. So I picked the card. So it was inspired by this, and I made a mini slimline card for my my Thanksgiving cards this year to family and friends. So this is a 3 by 6.5 card. I use some basil cardstock, and this is Hobby Lobby paper. This stamp set, I think we all know, it's from Paper Sweeties. I have it still on my desk here. That I bought a while back. These are some leaves from the Dollar Tree. This is the Dollar Tree ribbon or lace ribbon, and I make these finger bows that I learned. I can't remember who I learned it from. It's on, if you Google, not Google, but if you search on YouTube for finger bows, I think her video would pop up. And it is so much fun to make, and quick and easy bows, and I do like them, and they're really nice. And then I had these pumpkins, these little gold pumpkins in my stash. I think I got these at Target several years ago. I had several of them that I wanted to use up. Um, and that is my card. I think I already signed this one. Yeah, I didn't put anything inside like I usually do. Because it's a small card, I didn't want to do that this time around. So that is my Saturday morning makes for this week. So I want to thank Jill for all her inspiration and everybody that's been participating. Wow, she's done 40 videos this year alone. Awesome job, Jill. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.